Oh man, look at my leaves on my beets and my spinach. What is going on with these? They look terrible. What do I do? Yeah, those are known as leaf miners. They're called leaf miners. What are they mining for? I don't know what they're mining for. How do I get rid of them? I actually haven't found a good way to eliminate them yet. You don't know how to get rid of them? But I do have an idea how I can control them better. Okay, these suck. Okay, so it's been about a week since I first filmed this. We're still getting a few leaf miners, but far, far fewer eggs. There's a little bit there. Okay, so today I'm going to try to take care of a problem that I have every year, and I hate it, is leaf miners. And these plants are infested with leaf miner eggs. This damage right here, that's a leaf miner. There's a maggot inside that leaf. There's a maggot inside that leaf. And let's see if I can show you. All these little white specks, those are all eggs.
Leaf miner eggs are white, oblong, and usually laid in rows on the bottom side of the leaf. Once you know what you're looking for, leaf miner eggs are pretty easy to identify.
So I'm going to try to take care of this today. First thing I'm going to do is remove any leaves that I see have physical damage to them by the leaf miners. So like this one's in really bad shape. I'm just going to get rid of it. And I'm not even going to compost it. I'm going to throw it away. It's got a pretty good amount of damage to the leaf miners. Get rid of it. The problem with leaf miners is the maggot lives in between the two layers of the leaf. And once it's in there, it's almost impossible to get it to do anything about it. I'm just going to get rid of those leaves. And I'm going to attempt this year. I haven't done it this way. But I'm going to try to use the lint method to remove some of the eggs too. Basically, I'm just going to take a piece of tape, stick the two ends together, and we'll see together if this works or not. Okay, that takes it right off. That's nice. Taking the eggs right off. Kind of a pain in the butt, but I don't really want to lose too many of the leaves. And this actually is pretty effective. I am actually pretty happy with this. It seems to take the eggs right off of there. Okay. Okay. That works. Eggs this year. It is just unbelievable. Gotta keep going, get them all. Now I'm gonna try to get rid of the adults. I'm gonna do that by setting up a sticky pad. This will catch the adults. And I gotta peel the plastic off. There we go.
2 hours later.
This is called bull's blood. It's kind of a red variety, and it virtually has next to none. There's a little bit of eggs right there. There's one. There's a few eggs right there, but there is absolutely no leaf miner damage to these plants. It's almost like they don't really recognize it as food, and that's pretty common. That's why they do red cabbage and stuff like that, because the pests that usually eat that type of stuff don't actually recognize it as food. Like, share, and subscribe.